Hi friends, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your Facebook Lite problem. To know how to fix or how to solve your Facebook Lite problem, you should just go to settings. Here we click apps, default apps, app settings. Then we'll enter to the window of Facebook Lite. After that we click on first stop and we click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Then we click clear cache. You can go to Play Store and you can search about Facebook Lite. You can update your app, and if it's not working with you, then you can just turn off your phone. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.